I like trains.
Hello everyone.
Oh, the dissonance.
I think the horn got stuck there. That was funny. I don't think I've ever filmed that before. That's pretty cool. Good sounding horn, even though it's just a Chivo horn. I like K5HLs. Yeah, these are empty autoracks here. I-138 is going to be our next train, and like I said, it's going to have something good on it. Maybe something you've seen on my channel before, but it's alright. Yeah, it might just be autoracks and intermodals. I was told 50 miles an hour is the track speed here. So that M214 was going that. This is going about 25, 30. There's an airplane in the distance too. I can see both. Wow. Still do not see the end. There's just so many autoracks on this thing. Makes me wonder if they dropped off freight or they just never picked it up. I don't know. Maybe something went on in Cumberland or Connellsville. Beats me. CP rail. Goodness gracious. Still don't see the end of this thing. Okay, now I do. Never mind. M331 westbound in Coraopolis, Pennsylvania. And the last car's Conrail. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, this is the Old Main Guy signing off.